What's up guys, welcome back to another video. I am on my way up to my mate Tom's place. I'm in Dad's patrol. I'm a bit of a car gypsy at the moment. I don't have a car of my own right now, I'm just borrowing cars. But I will get up to Tom's place. He's got my 110 up there. I've blown out the front fork seals, so I'll redo them. I've got some Penrite shock oil on board as well. I also have my compound bow. Do a bit of a setup, see how we go. I've not used it much before. It was a good idea at the time when I bought it, like most things, but it gives me a bit of an opportunity to flick some arrows around, see what we can do.
Well,
we've made it down to Thomas's. What do you reckon, Tom? What's happening over this part of the paddock?
Well,
There's something missing here, isn't there?
I need a sponsor. I need 20 more pallets from Mr. Shep.
I've got some pallets at work. I'm sure we can hook you up.
Excellent.
But tell us more. What do we want the pallets for, though?
Cannington Off-Road pallets here. We want pallets. We're going to put an Oscomp ramp here.
Yep.
Get off my mate. Put it here. Then we'll get back into hitting some ramps and hopefully have some fun.
We've got nice big downy.
Got to shovel up a bit more.
Move that chair and you'll be good to go.
That's for teaching.
But what happens when you come down here and you whiskey throttle back out the other way?
Well, that's for amateurs, isn't it? We're not looking for that.
Oh, well, if I'm going to hit the ramp, I'm definitely ending up in that bush over there.
We're not riding an old XR80. We got front and rear disc brakes. We'll be right to
Oh,
stop.
you reckon jump on the anchors?
Well,
yeah. Should be all right. I'll lend you my bike and you can have the first hit if you want.
On the money.
Yeah. So that'll be on the...
That's the plan, to keep going. You know?
Oh, just keep going. You reckon?
To put another jump there.
Yeah. Or use the bushes as an air mattress. So what's the plan here, Thomas? Talk us through it. We're gonna... Do you reckon you'll have to chop that?
We're gonna have the children in the cubby house.
Yep.
We won't need to chop the tree because we'll fucking be...
Jump over it, yep.
Here's the middle.
What about when we need to push the ramp up for guys like me who've only hit ramps like a few times in their whole entire life?
Well, we can get it pretty close.
Yeah.
That black boy's 65 and the next tree that's 75.
So you've marked it out already, that's good.
Got the tape.
Cool, and then we come down here, we land, we move that chair, and then we land down here into the bush.
Yep, into the abyss.
Into the abyss.
Are you seriously worried about the bush?
I don't know, I'm just not sure if I'd be able to jump on the brakes that quick if you've... Oh no, you should be alright.
You've raced a fucking dirt bike.
Yeah,
Did
I
you
know,
come into a corner with like not thinking? No.
No, yeah, no, good point. You'll land knowing that you've got...
grid 30 people into one corner.
Yeah, okay, yeah, right. No, good point.
Stop.
Good point. If that's on you, if you can't stop, that's your own problem. Sounds like a you problem.
Definitely
jump the jump and then get ready to jump on the anchors as soon as you land. Or just straight off the side there into the rest of the track.
The rest of the track.
Cool.
That's
well,
a good idea.
What else have we got going over here, Tom? We'll go down the shed, eh? We'll have a look.
Yep.
So what's this buggy doing over here on the back lawn?
Well, this buggy, I was just doing a compression test. I've run out of room in the shed.
Oh, the shed's full. Okay.
Ran out of room in the first shed.
Nothing like an open air garage situation. Have you mowed the lawn around this? How long has it been sitting here for?
Oh, that's for the horses, if you can tell. Like we grow the lawn.
Yep.
And the horses eat it.
Yeah, easy. So then, so you didn't mow the lawn. The horses mowed the lawn around it. They can't get down underneath the buggies.
So I'll move it, and then they'll get some oily grass.
So this is one of the fleet. We'll go over to the shed because this is a bit more interesting.
Yep.
My 110 still here?
110 still here.
Good.
Got to do the fork oils on it.
Yep. And so what's this one? We might have seen this feature in a couple of videos.
This is the Can-Am Maverick Max. The family edition.
Limo on wheels.
Strap the baby seat into the back.
Yep.
Kids in the back. Adults in the front.
Is OG, this is your first buggy, isn't it? That you've had. Well, not first that you've ever had.
My first Can-Am.
But the first out of the fleet that you've got current. What's Brian doing? He's getting under.
He's changing the oil.
Yeah, okay, fair enough.
Brian likes to do the diff oil.
Yep, good. That's how he does it. Here's the trusty 110 with the blown out fork seals, which we'll get onto.
We will.
And then you've got your little 50s as well. But what's this one? Tell me about this one. This one's new.
Well, this one, new one. It's raced the Australian Safari.
It has raced it?
It's raced the Australian Safari. It completed it. And we're going to give the desert racing Kalgoorlie a go.
We'll try and tee up a bit of... we'll go out and do some testing, see how we feel. You've got to get comfortable in the seat first, don't you? But then we'll...
operate in the NA class and maybe...
Yep. See how we like it. Go from there. We don't have the money to pour into the turbo or X3s or anything like that. What is it? Razor 900?
900.
Cam's approved, cam's spec. Approved. You've got your nets, the cage is all cam spec ready to roll.
Got the long range fuel tank.
Long range tank. What else has it got? Well, it's got double beadlock wheels, eh?
Double beadlock
Inside,
wheels,
outside beadlock
composite
wheels.
tyres and rims.
So it's pretty well ready to go. We just got to jump in, get comfortable, and see how we go. Is there any other races you reckon we could do before we jump into the big Kalgoorlie Desert race?
I reckon there's a couple of supercross races we could do. Maybe, maybe some motocross ones.
Take it down to the. Well, it's not uncommon to see these things at the motocross track. So
no, we've got the motocross track down the road.
Yep, we might have to go hit that up with them and do a bit of suspension testing on the jumps. But that'll be interesting. We'll be good. We'll try and have a crack at that later in the year. We've got some time up our sleeve to get organised and get ourselves ready to roll.
We've got the real buggies.
And then the bugs, the bug buggies.
Buggies.
So we've got a pair of Volkswagen Das Auto Volkswagen Beetles.
The People's Wagon.
Yeah, the People's Wagon. And what? Both matching colours. Well, that one underneath this is dark blue as well, but we're wrapping it, or Thomas is wrapping it, and I'm pretty impressed so far. He's done a good job.
I'm getting there.
It's a nice looking colour. I actually like the colour.
Fingers.
They're obviously not for yourself to drive around though, are they?
No, one's for the partner and one's for the kid.
All right, well let's get stuck into a bit of wrap finishing off and do the fork seals on the 110 so we can go for a shred. All right, we've got the fork out. Thomas has gone ham with the pick tool. Don't stab your hand, please, mate.
No, I won't stab my hand, mate.
All right, cool.
I'm assuming.
Fork is out.
I'd like to get this out, the seal.
Yeah, well, that's the part we're replacing.
So stuck.
It's a good chance it's been in there for 10 years.
Yeah, that's what I'm.
Do you want me to have a go?
Definitely.
Got it.
Yard sale. You just seal of approval.
Got it though, didn't I?
Yeah, but you've lost. There's a washer down there.
Do we need that though?
You know,
There's a good chance we do.
Give it a low rider effect. You do realise what we just fucking done? What?
All carried away trying to do a how-to. Alright, so once you've forgotten to put the whole spring in, take it all back apart, put the spring in this time.
We're just slapping this girl in now?
Oh, we've done the fork seals on the 110. We tried to do a how-to, I didn't know how to do it, so doing how-to videos on stuff you don't know how to do yourself. It's interesting, but we'll see. We need to do a how-to on crashing buggies. That's what we know how to do.
How not to crash a buggy.
Step 1, drive way outside of your comfort zone.
Step 2.
Then step 2, don't stop, just keep going.
We could take the battery charger off and put a couple of PSI in the front left.
Yeah, you've got a flat tyre.
Well, it's only flat on the bottom.
It is.
And
but you know where they need the air? Also on the bottom. There we go. But yeah, let's get this thing spec'd up then. We'll see what it goes like. Do it, Tom. I'm going to record you doing it.
Oh, what are we doing?
Well, yeah, I don't know. Everything that you literally just said. Pump the tyre up and take the battery charger off.
Oh, yeah, true. That's right.
Do we need helmets? Probably not. Let's be honest.
No helmets needed.
What's this you're working on here as well? You're putting a new BMX together, are you, for yourself to take down to the local skate park?
Yeah, my daughter, she decided she wants to get back into riding, so she's come and pulled it apart.
Will she be okay to take it down to the skate park, you reckon? Confident or not yet?
She'll
love
definitely
it?
confident.
Alright, well, we'll have to go down to the skate park one day. Fork seals are done on the 110. Let's go for a test squirt around the house track in the newest buggy. This is not going to be easy to get into, is it?
You just, if you pass me that, mate.
Cheers, bud.
Indie hop. A little bit of a tight fit, that's how we like it.
In there. How are we going? Harnesses or no harnesses? We're not going that fast, are we?
We're not going fast, mate.
That's good. Let's go find a spot to send some arrows into the abyss. See how many we start with and how many we end up with at the end. I've never shot this properly before. I have, but it was just windy as all F.
Oh, windy.
What am I aiming for though, Thomas?
Oh, aim, see that ditch up there with the hole?
Yep.
Oh, you're
Way off.
about 2 meters below.
What, lowest?
Yeah, if you can hit her, she'll go off like a balloon.
Ryan's still over there.
You're good. Nailed it.
Oh, drop. So we'll set the target up. I've got the compound bow. I'm going to jump on the back of the Polaris and Tom's going to drive past. I'm going to shoot it into the target as I go past. Tom, do you reckon if I throw this rock melon up in the sky and try and shoot it out of the sky? Have you seen that TV show Arrow? That's me. I'm Arrow.
You are not Arrow.
Oh, I'm not Arrow. I'm okay at the moment. All right. We're good. Ready? Yep, nice and smooth. Woo! Oh shit! My head on a honky nut. Fuck! Oh, dude, it was more than a honky nut. Look at the size of the fucking thing. Oh, dude.
Oh, it's bigger than your honky nut brain.
Yeah. Oh, this thing. It's not a honky nut. It's like a small baseball. That got me straight in the noggin. And this cap isn't saving anything. Anyway, we got a bullseye. We accomplished what we needed to. Let's go and have a look, Thomas. Look at that. Right in the bullseye.
You got, what about this one though, mate?
But you know what? I did better shooting off a moving Polaris than we were aiming at a chair over there. Anyway,
Go for a spin over.
that about wraps it up. I better head home and have some dinner. The day at Tom's.